Let's do this, Addie.
You're taller than me.
Are we still?
So tell us what's going to happen today, Adeline.
We gonna make some cookies, y'all. Hey Google,
Start cooking.
start cooking. Sugar. Okay, you go, I go. Quarter. Oh, we can cut it.
Wait, we're just gonna put it? Okay. Smells good.
Sharing is caring. One large egg. Ready? Is this right?
Tap it.
Hey Google, next step.
Stir in flour, baking soda, and salt. Dough will be stiff.
It's a flower. Easier to do it that.
A quarter.
The corn now. Where is it?
Put it over there.
Dad. Okay, good. After this. 2 cups.
Half a bag?
2 cups.
Half of this?
2 cups. Chocolate chips though, Mom. Can we do 1 cup?
Yeah.
Or do like 1.5 cups. Or that's fine.
That was a lot of chocolate.
I like this.
Yeah. It's actually a lot.
Da-da-da. You gotta da-da-da-da-da.
Your dad's so cool, Eddie.
Watch your lip, camera lady. It's about 2 inches apart.
Here you go. Now here you go. No!
You're supposed to make them into a ball, that's it?
This is even hot.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey Google, next step.
Bake 8 to 10 minutes or until light brown centers will be soft.
You open that.
Mama said.
Wow, those look yummy.
Mama said.
Oh, no, you ready?
John.
Pizza pie. Mine's on the right, Addie's is on the left.
Mama, we're ready.
Okay, look at the camera and tell us what you think. Cookie 1.
Good. What? This one. I
Number 1!
won!